Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. My name is V. If you're new here, I want to say welcome. You picked the right channel to watch today because on this channel, I try to leave an encouraging word, message of the day, or inspirational word at the end of the message. And on this channel, I just want to empower and encourage each other because life can be very hard sometimes. And everything we see up front usually is not what's going on in the background. So I try to meet you where you are and leave you encouraged and empowered. So if this is something you like, and I do it all with makeup while I'm doing my makeup. So if this is something you like, subscribe to this channel. In today's video, you'll hear lots of noise because I am sitting outside. I want to do my makeup outside today before the sun gets to me. So we'll see if I can challenge myself to get that done. So you'll hear noise, all kind of stuff. People are outside by the lake hanging out. People are playing music by the pool next door because I'm outside. So it's lots of noise, but enjoy it. So I'll show you, I packed my little basket. So I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, this is what I packed to bring outside. My powders, my these are my stuff. So I pack all of. So this is my supplies that I'm going to work with. This is everything. Let us create something beautiful, and we always try to push ourselves to do a little better every day and a little bit more. I'm going to prime my eyes with the Lip Balm Concealer Cinnamon 400. This is it. This is it. Okay. Brush. Okay, much better, much better. Now I need to turn the camera. How do I turn it? I hope I'm filming me. Oh my good Lord. Okay, I'm trying to get this together. Okay, I think we're good. I think we're good. My eyes are primed. I'm going to take a little powder from the Fit Me and just put all over it. I am setting it right now. I hope this is recording well. I also just have a disaster imperfect. Pat McGrath Quad, and I am using this gold and this green right here. So these two colors I'm using today. I always use my fingers to do my shimmers because they work very good for me that way. And I already set base and set my eye. So this is what the color is looking like. Remember, we're outside. So everything you see here, we're outside. So we'll do this. I'll do this like this. Let's try this. And remember, we're doing quad for the month of August, unless I have to go into another palette for a collab. But this is what we're doing in August. You have 4 color eyeshadows or single eyeshadows, and you don't know, you get like overwhelmed of how to use them. I'm showing you can create many different looks from your quad. I have very hooded eyes if you're new here, so I try to create looks that will enhance my eye shape. After I finish with my hand, I usually take a brush to try and make it a little better. But take your palette out and let us create something beautiful. Let us play in some makeup and create something very beautiful. Our kind of beautiful. No one else is beautiful, just ours. That's an airplane passing. I'm outside doing my makeup. I'm trying to beat the sun before it gets this way. I stayed in bed a little late today, so I am outside doing this makeup here today. with the airplane in the background. You see, I don't know if you can see the shift in here in this. I hope I have plenty light. Whether this video comes out dark or fine, we are all going to load it up so you can see there is no perfect anything. It just has to work according to you. So this is the first color because we're doing a 2-color eyeshadow look. I have fallout. Don't know if you can see it, but I do have fallout from that green. Now I'm going to go into the gold. That gold is pretty. Take a look at this. Recording on a phone is tricky, so bear with me here. Ooh, I don't know when I'm in shot or when I'm not. The camera, where is the camera? I don't know which side. Okay, wrong side. Okay. Oh my good lord. I'm still learning with this camera, so bear with me. I am using my Maybelline Fit Me 360 face powder. I'm trying to beat the sun before it gets back there. I hope you can see. We're still outside and I'm still trying to beat the sun and I am sweating. Sweat is running down my back, but we're going to do eyeliner. This is the eye method eyeliner that they sent me, the wing liner. I love this eyeliner. Oh my god, I truly do. I am back. Me and this camera. I cannot understand. I'm trying to work it out. It's very noisy outside. I am finished. I am complete with the eye look. And I took off my twist off so you can see. It is beautiful outside. It is getting hot. I have sweated all down my back, but I was able to manage to keep my face nice without sweat. So that works out good because there's a nice little breeze outside, and all the noise you hear, somebody next door is working with their on the pool, so they're using the hose over there. The AC is making noise. People on the other side of the lake laying down enjoying this nice day. This is the look. Take a look. Am I too close? But I want you to see it. This is a 2-color eyeshadow look. You bump it up the way you want to with the quad. Don't let your quad scare you. Create it different ways, different style, different form. You can do it one way, do it another way. I mean, push yourself out of your comfort zone. Hey, I'm today trying and working and doing my makeup outside with all the noise and everything. I'm pushing myself to be outside to do my makeup. If you want to see another outside makeup look, let me know in the comments. But it is nice. There's a breeze, but it's hot. I can feel the heat coming because the sun is about to come down this way and I am about to go. My lip combo today is this e.l.f. and this Juvia's Place. This is the combo of the lip. But other than that, I like being outside. It is nice. The sticker, I do see it. I tell you, we're not perfect over here. Okay, so I'll blot. Today's message, encouraging word is push yourself little by little every single day to do the best that you can. Don't do more than you think you can, but do the small amounts that you can, and you will have progress. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And I, Simply Makeup, will see you in the next quad eyeshadow look. So far, we have done two eyeshadow looks from this. I can do two more if you want me to do two more, or we can move to three color eyeshadow look. Whichever one you think we need to move on to, let me know in the comments. The ones with the most I will do. If I don't get any comments about it, I'll move on to the next thing I see fit. I am signing off with this beautiful view. I'll turn the camera around so you can see what I am seeing. I can't see myself now, but it is nice. It is beautiful. This is where I am outside creating a makeup look for you. Again, go out, live life, have fun, be good, be sexy. Bye! See you soon in another video. Stay tuned for the next one. And please comment. Love you all.